This Oriental composition opens up with a rich, intense, spicy scent that lingers throughout, creating an exotic and sensual fragrance. One of the contributors to this spicy scent is this hybrid orchid that was discovered in 1893. It smells amazing with its slightly spicy, musky scent, perfect for Oriental fragrances. Where are fragrances infused with therapeutic orchid scents as a form of aromatherapy? Not only does it add a signature fashion statement with its unique scents, it can also help in relieving stress and feeling more relaxed throughout the day. Aside from that, these flowers are packed full of medicinal properties and are used in various ways. Just like this therapeutic orchid. An entire plant is used for healing skin ulcers, rheumatism, bone pain, and traumatic injuries. An interesting fact of this flower is that there are 4 components found in it which are highly believed to improve blood flow through the skin and promote hair growth. Here's another amazing orchid. It was first developed into a highly desirable ornamental plant in Japan during the 19th century. There are 2 important compounds isolated from this orchid. One has a unique anti-tumor activity and is effective against AIDS virus, while the other exerts potent cytotoxic activity against prostate cancer cells. Other medicinal materials extracted from the plant are found to improve immunological function. With such astounding medicinal properties, it is of no surprise that this herb is highly reputed among Korean and Japanese herbalists in treatment of night sweats, weakness, anorexia, and muscle pain, just to name a few. With a fragrant blend of cloves, black pepper, and a dash of orange, these spicy and lively citrusy hues enraptured the fragrance with an overwhelming allure. Spicy notes are truly essential in Oriental fragrances. They play a key role in adding warmth and potency to the composition while boosting the longevity and creating a characteristic unique element. Deep, spicy, and aromatic, cloves' scent qualities of sweet and spicy tones enable it to lend a touch of exoticness to any fragrance. While on the other hand, black pepper provides the fragrance with a cheerful and impactful punch of earthy nuances, adding a bright accent. A luxurious warmth of fresh, spicy notes refine this fragrance into a unique and intoxicating scent. Exuding a sensual and mysterious style, this fragrance complements the masculine and flamboyant side of you.